Hey guys, Eric here with Pioneer Survival Company. Today we have an excellent piece of gear. This is the Billy Pot by Firebox Stoves. Hang with me for just a second. I'll get this opened up for you and we'll go over all of the awesomeness that's contained within here. Alright, so what we have here, it appears to just be your typical bush pot. However, this is made out of a very strong, heavy-duty stainless steel. And what I really like about this is the design that they made on the, well, for starters, on this handle. You can actually pull it off sideways. This isn't just a pan, actually. This is also an oven. I will go over this in a minute. I just want you to keep that in mind. So basically you can use this to, pour out liquids. It's a very sturdy handle, I should say. And it locks everything in when you flip it up. So on the top of this, we have it's a pan that can actually fit in it, but it's not just your normal pan. If you can see all of the holes drilled in it, this is actually a steamer pan. And what I mean by that is, let me set this stuff down somewhere. There's a lot of stuff that comes with this, so bear with me. Alright, so what I mean by a steamer pan, you fill the bottom of this with water. You can put rice, whatever you want down in there. And then this slides right in the top. You can put your vegetables, meats, things like that. Close her up, set it in the fire, and it will steam whatever you have in the top while your rice and stuff is cooking in the bottom. So I love that feature. That is great. Now, the rest of the goodness that comes with this. My brother laughed hysterically when I told him my new cook system had a thermometer on it. Well, I don't care what he says. It's great. Basically, there is a hole tapped in the lid of this pot here. If I can get the screw, there we go. Alright, so that thermometer screws right on there. This is essential for the second feature of this pot, because this pot, when turned sideways, it comes with this handy grill that fits perfectly inside of it, effectively giving you an oven. Now the entire set also comes with a larger aluminum nonstick pan and a smaller aluminum nonstick bread pan, which just so happens to fit perfectly inside of here. So when you close her up, latch her down, you now have yourself an oven. You can simply put in the coals and you're good to go. I am also going to do a video soon. I'm going to experiment with the BioLite stove to see if I can actually cook on top of that too. It also comes with this, mosquitoes are horrible out here. It comes with this little thing that you just slide on like that. That allows you to set this on the coals in a fire, and then you can set your coals on top of it and it keeps them from sliding off, effectively giving you a heat source on the top and bottom to fully heat the entire chamber to whatever temperature you want on your thermostat there. I also like the fact that they threw in a pair of tongs so you can pick up coals, put on top of it as you need to. Also, it kind of helps if you're just moving things around inside of it. And I didn't even know this came with the kit actually until I received it in the mail. But comes with a pot handle that you can also use on soup cans, things like that, camp cups, pretty much anything you want to take out of the fire and not burn your hand off. So overall, this is a great kit. Very versatile. You can cook, whatever you'd cook in a normal pot, soups, boil water, whatever. And you can also use this as an oven. I have actually Firehouse stoves. They have an entire section on their website that's nothing but camp recipes. So, I mean, there's just, I don't even know how many recipes are on their website, but it's great. Like, there's just tons of recipes from desserts, like cakes, things like that, crumble cakes, and I believe I actually saw a YouTube video where someone was cooking meat inside of it. So, I mean, it's just an amazing piece of gear. I like it far other than the other big name bush pots that I have. This one just blows them out of the water. All right, so overall, this is a great piece of gear. I believe the price of this, I didn't actually get the bag that comes with it, because my buddy over at Campcraft Outdoors, Jason Hunt, he makes some amazing wax canvas bags. If you haven't checked him out yet, I highly recommend you check him out. I'm actually going to be talking with him soon to see if he has any bags that will fit this or if he can make me one. But yeah, back to the price point. I think the entire kit minus the bag, pans, everything, I think it was right around $100. So for an all-in-one camp kit, compared to other, big names in the market right now, that's really not a bad price for what you're getting here. So I would, like I said, highly recommend you check it out. If you like this video, give us a shout out. You can find us on social media, Facebook, Instagram at Pioneer Survival Company, or check out our website at pioneersurvivalcompany.com. Thanks for watching.